Hi guys, it's RockinRobin. How you doing? This video is a little informal, but I wanted to tell you about something that's happened recently. I have found a new way, or for some reason, my stuff has been selling on eBay better than it has in years in February. And there's a couple reasons why I want to explain. What happened is, what I normally do is when I can't sell something and it's been up online for like a year or so, I sell it at the flea markets. And this year I did a couple flea markets. They weren't doing well where I was. So I decided maybe I need to switch my inventory. So what do I do with my old inventory? Do I just dump it? I said, oh, just dump it. So I took some of my inventory and I was getting ready to go through it and see what I could dump. And I said, a lot of these things are really sellable and they didn't sell and they should have sold. So what I did was I decided to put them up on eBay for 99 cents in an auction. Now, if they sell for 99 cents, maybe I'm getting my money back, maybe I'm losing money. So I did that. And I didn't get a whole lot. I sold one or two, and it was like, well, you know, this was not really worth it. But then I said, just keep trying, see what happens. So I tried something else. So I put them up for $1.99. And what I found was things actually were selling for more than $1.99. At 99 cents, it was like nobody wanted them. But $1.99, all of a sudden I was getting several different bids. So I thought that was great, but then something else happened. It's not just about the fact that I sold these items for auction. My items that I've had up were selling as well. All of a sudden, everything was selling everywhere. Now, this didn't happen in Poshmark, so this isn't like it's just happened all over and it's just the way it is. This is something's going on here. All of a sudden, I am selling lots of items in buy it now, not even for the auction, just buy it now. So, you know, what is that? Is it the algorithm, the eBay algorithm is saying, hey, she's serious and she's got all these things up, an auction, and the algorithm is giving my items more views? I don't know. Or is it that people are looking at the items and maybe they don't want them, or maybe they want one and they say, gee, she combines shipping for 99 cents. Let's see what else she's got. And they're buying other things. I don't know what exactly is happening, but I have sold more in February than I sold in the last 2 years. And February is usually not a big month for selling for me. It's usually just kind of so-so. I'll sell a few things here, I'll sell a few things there, but it usually picks up a little bit in March when people start getting their income tax check. So February's always been slow for me. And the fact that in February I sold more than I sold in any single month in the past 2 years is amazing to me. And that is the only thing I did different. I'm going to tell you, don't put up items that are worth a ton of money. Put up items that are worth not a lot and you didn't pay a lot for them. Start them at auction for $1.99 and do it for each day. Do it every day of the week. Of course, I always find Saturday and Sundays to be the best for auctions, but because everybody's home. But it's really up to you. So what happened is, you know, I put them all different times, and but every day I've been putting something up, and every day I've been getting sales, whether it's from that or from the buy it now. I'm really happy with the way my buy it now is because it has really never been so good. So that is a tip that I wanted to tell you because there's something here. There's something happening that has never happened before. And well, I can't say ever, but you know, in the past couple of years. So I wanted to pass it along because I'm hoping that it's going to help you as well, that it's going to be a tip. So this is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helps you. I found it to be really, really good. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell for more tips, and give us a big thumbs up because that really helps our channel. And I hope you watch more of our videos because I always want to bring you whatever I can. Now you go out there, you find something, you put it up on eBay, and you go make yourself some money.